Epic! Welcome to STEM. Today we're going to be continuing our study of plants. And we're going to start by reading a book together called Plants Need Sunlight by Jennifer Colby. After we're done with the book, I'll tell you what your STEM challenge is. But for right now, let's get started. Plants Need Sunlight by Jennifer Colby. Table of contents. All plants need water, air, sunlight, and nutrients to live and grow. What do plants eat? Have you ever wondered what plants eat to live and grow? The answer is plants don't eat at all. Plants make their food. The food plants make gives them energy to live and grow. They only need 3 ingredients to make food. They need water, air, and sunlight. The most important ingredient is sunlight. Roots take in water and nutrients from the dirt. Plants also need nutrients to stay healthy. Nutrients are not food. They are materials found in dirt and water. Plant roots absorb nutrients and water from the dirt. Greenhouses use special lamps to help plants grow. Sunlight is important for plants that grow outside. Some plants grow inside a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building that's just for growing plants. Greenhouses may use special lamps to give plants extra light. Plants live and grow under these lamps. Let's take a closer look at how plants use sunlight. Leaves use water, air, and sunlight to make food. Making food. Plants usually make their food in their leaves. Do you remember the 3 main ingredients plants need to make food? They are water, air, and sunlight. How do these ingredients get to the leaves? The leaf of a plant absorbs air. How does a plant absorb water? The root of a plant are like straws. The roots grow down into the dirt, and the roots suck up water from the dirt. Water from the roots flows up the stem through xylem tissue. Xylem tissue has tiny tubes that deliver water and nutrients to the leaves. How does a plant absorb air? The surface of each leaf has many tiny holes in it. These holes are called stomata. Air flows into the leaf through these tiny holes. This is a close-up picture of a leaf. Can you see the tiny green cells of chlorophyll? How does a plant absorb sunlight? Inside the leaf are tiny green cells. These cells have chlorophyll in them. The chlorophyll gives the leaf its green color. Its job is to trap light energy. The leaf uses light energy to combine air and water, and this process is called photosynthesis. This plant makes a thick liquid sugar. This is the plant's food. This food flows out of the leaves to every part of the plant through the phloem tissue. Phloem tissue has tiny tubes that deliver food to plants. These sunflowers are getting lots of water, air, and sunlight. They will make extra food to store for later. Energy from the food the plants make helps the plant grow. The plant uses the food to grow roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruit, and seeds. If a plant gets enough water, air, and sunlight, it can make extra food. The extra food is stored inside the roots, and the energy from the food can be used later. people get energy from plants. Sunlight in your food. Do you eat carrots? The carrot plant made the carrot by using water, air, and sunlight. You get food energy from the carrot. The energy you get helps you play, think, and grow. Deer eat plants. Food energy passes from plants to animals to other animals. This is called the food chain. Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat other animals. Every living thing on Earth is part of the food chain. You are part of the food chain. Almost all food chains begin with water, air, and sunlight. And here is the glossary for you to take a look at. All right, that was really fascinating. I hope you learned something there. For those of you who don't know this about me, I love plants. I have them all over my apartment, in every single room, in every single window. Well, almost. I would have them in every single room, in every single window, but unfortunately my bedroom window doesn't get enough sunlight. And we learned from that book that all of these plants need sunlight to thrive and to grow and to stay alive. So, this is where I need your help. I challenge you to invent something that'll help me and other plant lovers get sunlight into a dark corner of our homes. So, I want you to choose a dark or shady spot in or around your home, maybe behind the couch or just a corner away from the window, maybe even a windowless room. It's up to you how challenging this is. I want you to pick a dark spot in your house, and I want you to invent something, design and build something that'll help us get more sunlight into that dark corner so that hopefully I can put a plant in it. All right, so you can use any materials that you find around your house, but please, as I always say in STEM, ask for permission first. Once you have permission to use your materials, you may get creative as you can with this. I cannot wait to see what you invent. If something works well enough, who knows, I may even put it in my apartment, and you may be responsible for some new life around my home. So, as always, be safe, exercise that bubblegum brain, and most importantly, have fun with it. See you on Flipgrid.